I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. Today, I wanted to talk to you about this awesome new smart scale that I got. But before we get into this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you hit the notification, down below, so you know when I upload a new video. So this video is going to be a unboxing / review on this scale that I got. I got it about 3 weeks ago and I absolutely love it. If you guys have not gotten one, you need to stop what you're doing right now and go get one. So this is the Smart Body Fat Scale that I am talking about. It comes with actual 4 main features: highly accurate body composition, unlimited users, and then it's a smart tracker. So this is a Bluetooth scale that works for any iOS or Android phone. This scale is actually pretty cool because it comes with a QRS code, so you don't even have to try to find the app in your phone. You just click it and there you go. Let's say that you have a Fitbit. Oh, can my Fitbit be added to this? Yes, it can. So if you have a Fitbit, you can actually use your Fitbit or Apple Health app, and that will link it to your phone and the scale also. Not only does this scale have smart tracking, because of the unlimited users, myself, my husband, my mom and dad, brother and sister, whoever has this scale and the app, we can all link to each other. So if you guys are as competitive as me and my husband are, you're gonna love this scale because I enjoy beating him and stuff. It makes my day. I enjoy it very much to watch them lose. So this is actually really good for competition. Especially with everything going on with the pandemic and being inside so much right now. I was at a point that I was losing my mind, and a lot of things were happening. Like I lost an aunt, and I was honestly stress eating. So I was trying to find something to help me get back on track. So the scale actually really does that for me because it has 13 different body compositions on the app. You can kind of get an idea a little bit more on where you need to focus. Like mine keeps telling me that I am low on water and low on protein. I was actually shocked because I thought I was drinking a lot of water and I guess I'm not. So the scale actually tells me that I need to go up on my water, and then it tells me that I need to go up on my protein, which is pretty awesome. I don't know about you guys, but I still need to learn about my body type. I still need to learn about how to lose weight, stay consistent, and I really do feel like this scale does that for me and my husband. We have seen a lot of difference with even in 3 weeks from focusing really on what the body composition is telling you. It's even better because if you click on, let's say, I don't know, you want to know the body mass index. You click on the actual body mass index and it explains it more in depth for you on where you should be and where you are. Like again, my protein, they're like, your protein is low, you need to up your protein. My muscle mass, it goes more in depth with that. Like it's just amazing how much data this one smart scale can give you. Like I was blown away. Like when me and my husband were trying it, I'm like, what? That thing can do that? Oh my gosh. Okay, now I just need a personal trainer to like be here and tell me, don't eat those carbs. But it's fine. We're taking it one day at a time. Not a sprint, this is a marathon. So we just rolling with it. This actually retails for $99.99, but it's actually on sale right now for $49.99. So I think that's like a steal for everything that comes with it. Again, you're getting the free app, you're getting a smart tracker, unlimited users. It's highly accurate. Like, I was, again, blown away with that. And then you get the body composition percentage app that goes into everything for you. And it's 13 individual ones. Not only do I like the smart scale capabilities that this has, I love the fact that it was actually created in Southern California, and it has more of a modern look to it that I really feel can go with any room decor. It also comes with a 7-day real customer service support. So if you're needing help maybe setting it up, I didn't have any problems, but there are people who may. I would recommend that you call the number, and it's a customer service, somebody in the US that's here to help you. You do get an instruction manual that's actually pretty easy to read also. For anybody who is not technology savvy, but again, it's like so simple to me. Like, you literally get the instructions even on the back of the box. So you scan the app, you create a username, password. You do have to calibrate the scale before you actually start it. Again, that's super simple to do. It also comes with a 5-year manufacturer warranty for all the scales. So if for any reason something were to happen within 5 years, you can call them and then they would be able to replace it for you. My overall thoughts on the Smart Scale is that it is awesome. I highly recommend it. Again, me and my husband were looking for something to kind of help us, especially right now with the whole COVID situation and the pandemic, and we're all stuck at home, or at least some of us are still stuck at home, and we're all in some way struggling. We can't go to the gym. There's so many things that are going on. I'm over here stress eating. But since I've had this scale, it's really has helped me with understanding a little bit more on my body type, what I really do need to focus on. I would highly recommend it to any of you guys. I do have an affiliate code that I will link down at the bottom. It's good for anybody who's starting out, or even for people who are like full-on athletes. Like, it's good for anyone. And it helps everybody who's wanting to know a little bit more of what you're putting into your body, where you're at, and then it kind of just gives a little bit more of a push for you, so everything is like real. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
You are the stranger.